Hi guys, this is Ansab and you are watching Nerdy Ansab YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how you can build metasploitable 3. So in this video I will show you the tools you need for metasploitable 3, how to install them, and after that how to build metasploitable 3 with Oracle VirtualBox in Windows. So let's see how to do this. So first you need to go to metasploitable GitHub link. So just type in Google or any web browser metasploitable 3 and enter, and you will find a GitHub link of metasploitable 3. Just open that and first you need to download metasploitable 3 file. So just click on clone or download. So click on download zip. So you can start download. I have already downloaded it, so just I'm cancelling it. And after that you need some tools. So you need packer. So you can find it in readme.md file. From here, readme.md file, you can find all the minimum requirements. So just click on this packer and from its official website you can download it. So click on appropriate packer and from here select Windows 64-bit and you can start download. And now the second thing you need is Vagrant. Just go to its official URL and from here you can see Vagrant download page. So go to here and download for Windows 64-bit. Most probably you will need 64-bit, so just download this, or you can check your Windows version, you can download according to that. And after that you don't need Vagrant reload plugin to download. We can install it by using CMD. And the second thing you need is VirtualBox. So just open this and from this download page you can download it for Windows host. Just click and you can start download. And after that the first thing you need is to install this Vagrant and Vagrant reload plugin and VirtualBox. First VirtualBox, then Vagrant reload plugin. So now just go to your download location where you have downloaded all the files. So you can open. Now you need to install VirtualBox. So if you are building metasploitable 3, then I am assuming that you know the basic things like how to install a software. So I am not showing how to install VirtualBox. It is very easy, just double click on it and after next, I accept and next. Now second thing you need to install is Vagrant. Just double click on this file. So click on next, I accept, next, install. Okay, so now our Vagrant setup installation has finished. Click on finish and now it is asking for restart. So just click on no, because first we will install Vagrant reload plugin, after that we will restart our system. So in search box type CMD and run as administrator and here type Vagrant plugin install Vagrant -reload, press enter. So for this thing you will need an internet connection, so make sure your computer is connected to internet. So now you can see installing the Vagrant Reload plugin, and after installed the plugin, so now close this, and you need to restart your system. So just restart your system. So now I have restarted my machine, and now these two things are remaining, packer and master. So I will tell you what to do with these two. So first move this to another location, just paste to another location, and after that extract this master.rar file, extract files, and extract this packer, extract here, and you will find a packer.exe file. So cut from here and move this inside metasploitable 3 master folder, so it will be easy to access this file. Now you can see here we have two methods to build metasploitable Windows box. So currently we are on Windows, so to build automatically you have on Windows run build in PowerShell terminal to build the Windows box, and after this you can run this command, and this will be the username and this will be the password. Or you can also build this manually by using this command. So you can build by which method you like. In this video I will tell you how to build automatically because it will save our time. So here you can see build win 208.ps1 file. So make sure you have a working internet connection, and it will download a file of size about 2.9 gigabytes. So this will take some time according to your internet speed. So just right click and run with PowerShell, wait for it. So just click on A, enter. So first it will check all the compatible versions of VirtualBox, Packer, Vagrant, and now you can see VirtualBox ISO output. Okay, and now here you can see our download is in progress, and it will tell you how much download has been completed. Here you can see 0%, or it will tell you. You can also see a new folder, packer.cache is created. So if packer_cache is created, in which it will download its ISO file. So you can check the size of this file, so you can check how much file is downloaded. It is around approx 2.9 GB. So you can see from here, and if you think that it is stuck and it is not getting refresh at some point, so you can just press F5. Just first click on PowerShell and then you can press F5 and it will refresh and it will show you the new results. So wait for some time till it downloads this file. So I am skipping this download part. So now you can see our download has been completed, and you can see now it is starting virtual machine, and you can see a waiting 10 minutes 0 second for boot, but it will take less than 10 minutes. And you can see here a virtual machine has been started. You can see starting Windows. So this is our Windows box, metasploitable 3 Windows box. And if you use Linux like Ubuntu, then you can create Ubuntu box also, which will based on Linux. So this thing will take some time, and this won't require any additional uh, commands. So I can just fast forward this video because this thing is automatic until our logon screen appears. So I'm gonna fast forward this video. So now our virtual machine is restarting. Don't do anything, it will be automatic. The whole process is automatic, and until you get a login screen, the whole process is automatic. Setup will continue after restarting your computer, so let us restart. You can see our metasploitable Windows has been started, and you can see the username by click on this start button, and it is Vagrant. And now you can see here the updates. So there are some updates, and you can see the building the Vagrant box, and we have successfully built our metasploitable 3 Windows box. There are some tips which I want to share you regarding to installation of metasploitable 3 on Windows, but this video is already very lengthy, so I will make another videos on that tips, and I will add link of this video in description of this video, so you can also check that video so that you won't make any mistakes during installation of metasploitable 3. So guys, if you like this video, and if this video helped you at some point, then please like this video and share this video with your friends who want to install metasploitable 3, and also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye, see you in next video.